Oh, gear shifter came out. You know I've got no gear shifter right now, yeah, I'm stuck in fourth. No, it's gone. Oh, fuck's sake. I should, didn't it? Oh my god, it's actually out. Look, push it down. It shouldn't push down like that. Oh yeah. Fuck, that's out completely. Okay, ready?
No, come on.
What?
Set it all up. Go, be quiet then.
Open the window.
Yeah, be silent. You don't want to fix your gear shift.
Is. My tyres feel fine after that. That was sick. Fucking hell. I've got a shifter, it will just be the stem though. Brother, I'm actually a fucking rally driver. It's all good.
It's too tight.
It's all good. Lorries don't come down here.
They do. I thought I fucking crashed 3 times down here.
I've never seen a lorry down here.
I've seen, you can ask Jake, I was less than an inch away from just crashing straight in.
I nearly did that with one of them lorries that carry the logs.
Oh, watch the jump. Yes. Oh my god. Yeah, my dad's paying £1.5 for a Range Rover.
Fucking, it's a Range Rover though, isn't it?
That's why it's going.
Good. Put that money towards the M3.
You know, he's paying more in tax than insurance in the M3.
Fucking hell. Oh, I didn't realise that.
Oh, you're going around fucking all pretty much single code lanes so fast.
I'm good, man. It's good. Chill. Chill.
You can say it's good until a car comes up the other side of the road.
Look, the road's wet.
Definitely it's not wet.
It's not wet.
Can't be.
Oh! Just ram him in the back. You're in my lane.
I don't think you're
Fucking hell, he stopped. She stopped. She got back.
Yeah.
She looked alright. That's a spot. That's a spot.
This is what.
This is tight.
I'm going to slide down. I thought you were 30.
Fuck off.
You've got to drop your seat back.
No, just do that instead. No hands at all. Yeah, I know. I keep doing it, innit? That's not the. I'm gonna. Second? To blow my gearbox. Whoa, this is tight. I feel
better down here on my car.
I don't know if my car is sliding or not. It feels very slippery right now. The road might actually be wet. It's definitely just the colour, innit?
You know what? Maybe they water the wheat.
Oh, that's true, you know.
I bet they water the wheat that comes on the road.
Do you want to get out and check?
Depends if it's pull over.
Bro actually wants to check the wheat.
Oh, check the road.
That's a blind corner.
Maybe it goes into fields. Slow down here.
Why?
Because it goes to signal carriage. Like,
Oh, yeah, proper. I know. What the fuck? My car should not be that fast.
Walk down.
Yeah, losing grip, going from first to second.
That's it.
It's only because my tyres are bald, you know that?
Yeah. It's probably after your tyres are bald now. That's why
Brother,
you're doing that.
I did it earlier on my road and it just started, like, it proper squealed like I did a burnout. All I did was go from first to second at like 4k revs.
Jump.
Is it?
You're a bitch.
Ah, you said it was a jump.
Stop so slow. Remember how fucking.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. I only did a 75 in a circle. Look, another one, man. It's a side.
It's not.
They're everywhere.
You need a compressor.
Huh?
You need to get the compressor.
Of course.
Supercharger.
Yeah.
It probably won't have the same vibe.
It won't. Not like the Audis and Hellcats do. But I'll make it have the wine. Whoa.
What the fuck is that? Bro, they're just passing all their meeting spots. They're coming off.
Like they're having a fun.
Bro, that's like the CIA, bro. They think we're following.
It probably is, isn't it? They're checking my speed, isn't it?
The pigeon CIA thinks we're after them, bro.
Baba, you gotta even out the air. Oh my god. When I tell you, I nearly had my foot all the way down on the brakes there. It was nearly flat out.
Your brakes are shit.
My brakes are shit. I'm gonna die.
You can feel mine so much when I brake. You can, and it throws you forward, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, silly braking there.
Why?
Can't you brake for a
I realised that after. Oh my god, I've got no grip. I swear to god my front tyres are bald. I have no grip.
One more burner?
No, I've got a fucking pigeon. Piss off.
Oi! What is going on?
I swear to god I've got no grip right now. Look. It feels really slidey. It don't feel grippy. Fucking hell.
Oh, the pigeons. They've got best. Is that another one?
Brev.
Bro, I can't believe it. What is going on?
Brother, they know we're on this route.
Literally. This is their yard.
I really want to try flatten out one of these corners on my brake. See if I can actually brake. No, because it's important to know if my brakes will actually save me when I need them. Because I'm just going to end up dying.
Actually, you've got to trust them.
I don't trust my brakes at all. I don't trust my car not to fucking blow up either.
So I'm down here, it's so tight, I can't fix it.
I've been in third the whole time, no shifting, nothing. Check my cat at McDonald's glowing. No. Oh my god, I have no brakes. Fucking hell. That's not how much I wanted to brake.
Pull over, you know when all the cars come up, I'll see if they glow.
My brakes?
Yeah.
They're glazed, innit? Got glass. Pull over where?
Pull over down here where all the cars usually parked.
Oh yeah. After the thing, innit?
No, it's coming up here.
Oh, before? What, here? Right in here?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm telling you I've got no brakes. Oh, there's a girl in there.
Oh, is there?
Let me take that off. Fucking hell, man. There's a girl in there.
Oh, is there?
Let me take that off. Fucking hell. Check my brakes. Actually check them.
It's staying in here. Fuck off. Holy shit. I told you I got no fucking brakes. These brakes are fucked. Oh my god.
It's good, it's good. They're new brakes, isn't it?
Yeah, they're new brakes.
I told you I got no fucking brakes.
These brakes are fucked. Oh my god.
It's good, it's good. They're new brakes, isn't it? Brakes are oh yeah, I forgot to check. Fucking hell.
You need a cool down up on the brakes, they'll see.
I'm doing it. That's a long video though. Oh my god, why is he in my lane?
What the fuck?
Oh, fucking hell. He was all the way. Yeah. He's gonna see the smoke. If I'm too slow, he'll see the smoke. I've got to keep it fast because he'll see smoking. Fucking hell.
I'm leaving a trail of smoke.
Am I? No. Oh my god, they're around.
Oh my god, they're flying.
Is it 30 here?
Oh, yeah.
Is it 30 here?
Down, they're gonna pull down.
Take that.
They're gonna pull down.
Is it 30 here?